Find the derivative, find the derivative of, I want to consider two. Okay, one, let me just deal with one first. Find the derivative of, that is, find the derivative of 4 sin 2x. 4 sin 2x. Find the derivative of 4 sin 2x. So solution, again we see this particular part, it makes us know that we need to use chain rule, just not sin squared, but sin of 2x. It should be clear. Sin of 2x. So first let u be 2x. That is this part here. And if that is the case, then it should then mean that du dx is 2. Du dx is 2. That is differentiating u with respect to x gives you 2. Then if that is the case, then it means that we remember that chain rule says dy dx is equal to dy du dot du dx. So I then need to differentiate y with respect to u. I then need to differentiate. I need if dy dx is dy du dot du dx, du dx have is 2. Then I need to find what this is. So my y, then I need to rewrite my y as y then becomes 4 sin of u. 4 sin of u. 4 sin of u is my y. Since I'd said let u to be 2x, and then that then means that if I'm to rewrite y with that understanding, then it's going to be 4 sin of u, so that where there is 2x, I put u as given here. So that is why 4 sin u. Then I now need to get dy du, differentiate this with respect to u. So dy du will then be dy du will then be 4 cos u. 4 cos u, yeah. Because if you differentiate sine, okay, let me say derivative of a sine is a cosine. The derivative of a sine is a cosine. So if y is 4 sin u, then dy du, that is differentiating this function y with respect to u, should then give me dy du is equal to 4 cos of u as such, 4 cos of u as such. Then I can then specify what my answer is, because I can then substitute them here, because I know dy dx should be dy du. So dy du is this. So I say 4 cos u times I put dot du dx, which is 2. And this gives you, let me take it that end. That should then imply that dy dx is equal to 8 cos u. This times this. So it's 8 cos u. But what was u? So we say it's 8 into cosine of 2x. 8 into cosine of 2x. And that's the derivative of this. So the derivative of this is that. Again, I urge you, because this particular kind of mathematics is found in pure mathematics 1 and pure mathematics 2, that is basically higher. For the Cambridge exams, that would be an equivalent of A, that is advanced subsidiary and advanced level. So one has to understand this, because it is kind of a precursor, or you need to know, it's a prerequisite to understanding calculus. So I've been dwelling on this because I intend to introduce calculus, and so that we look at very interesting problems that we find in economics, finance, and mathematics. Now, by the time we'll be exploring calculus, it will be possible for us to even consider how one can consider various problems of interest and how to model them and come up with answers that are useful in answering real life problems. So up to there, I want to stop. And I'm saying, if you are impressed and you need to learn more of this, I just need to remind you that you need to visit our school. In our school, we are dedicated, and you choose your time. You choose your time, you choose your topic at your convenience, and then we take you through. And our main aim is to make complex formulae or mathematical concepts to make more meaning to you. So up to there, I stop, and I urge you to follow me to my next video.